Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Math Club. Today our question is x times x plus x is equal to 10. Our job is to find the value of x here. So starting our first step here, that x times x, we know that it is equal to x cubed plus x is equal to 10. Now here x cube plus x is equal to 10. Shifting this 10 to our left hand side, then we get x cube plus x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we have that x cubed plus x, this 10 can also be factorized like 8 plus 2. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So there is no problem if we just write this 10 is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 0. Now x cubed plus x minus 8, and minus time plus is minus 2, which is equal to 0. Now we have, if we are going to write this x cubed with minus 8 and plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now this x cubed and 8 can be written as 2 cubed. Here it is our first pair, and here if we just take 1 is common, so we get x minus 2, it is our second pair, that is equal to 0. Now using algebraic identity, as we know that if we have a cubed minus b cubed, then it is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. So using here, then this step will be x cubed minus 2 cubed will be x minus 2 times, that is here we have x squared, and plus 2 times x and plus 2 squared. Here plus 1 times x minus 2, which is equal to 0. Now this x minus 2 is a common term, so taking x minus 2 is common outside bracket, then we get x minus 2 times x squared plus 2 times x plus 2 squared is equal to 4, and here we have only 1, that is equal to 0. Now our next step will be x minus 2 times x squared plus 2 times x plus 4 plus 1 is 5 is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases, that x minus 2 is equal to 0, or x squared plus 2 times x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here we have our first value, which is shifting minus 2, we get plus 2, so it is our value of x1 is equal to 2. It is our real solution. Here we get our real solution. Now solving our second equation, here it is a quadratic equation, so we have to solve it by using that quadratic formula. So here value of a is equal to 1, b is equal to plus 2, and c is equal to 5. Using quadratic formula, which is x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. So applying the values of a, b and c, so here x is equal to value of b is 2 plus minus square root of b squared means 2 squared minus 4 times value of a is 1, c is 5 all over 2 times a, so a is 1. Now here x is equal to, here we have x is equal to minus 2 plus minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus 5 times 4 is 20 all over 2 times 1 is 2. Here we have minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 20, we get square root of minus 16 all over 2. Now x is equal to minus 2 plus minus minus 16 can also be written as square root of 16 times square root of minus 1. We just write separately that minus 1 times square root of 16 all over 2. So here minus 2 plus minus square root of 16, it is equal to 4, and square root of minus 1, it is equal to I. all over 2. Now if we take 2 is common, then we get x is equal to 2 times, here we get minus 1 plus minus 2i all over 2. So cancelling 2 with 2, we have two values of x here. X is equal to minus 1 plus minus 2i. So here our second value of x is x2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2i, and our third value is x3 is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. And also our first value of x, which is x1, that is x1 is equal to 2. So x1 is equal to 2, it is our value of third value of x, that x1 is equal to 2. So here we have our final answer, that is this value is a real solution, it is our real solution, and these two solutions are complex solution, these are our complex solution. So you can also verify this problem by using these values of x. So if we just put here real values of x, then to check our problem, here we have our problem is x times x times x plus x is equal to 10. So if we just put here x is equal to 2, then we can easily verify our problem, that 2 times 2 times 2 plus 2 is it equal to 10. Now 2 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 plus 2 is it equal to 10. So 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Yes, 10 is equal to 10. Hence our left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we have proved that this real value of x is true for this problem, and it is our final answer. So you can just review all these steps one by one. So I hope you have understand all these values step by step. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting contents. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.